Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to enable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. First, open up your WhatsApp, click on the three dots here, then click on Settings, then click on Chats. Once you click on Chats, you need to click on Chat Backup, then click on End-to-end Encrypted Backup, click on Turn On. Then you will get this screen. You either need to create a password or use a 64-digit encryption key to recover your backup. I'm going to choose the option Create Password. Then create your own password. After you've made your password, you need to click on Create to successfully turn on end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.